Let's have a look at this. There are three individuals, Amar, Akbar, and Anthony, are working on a project, and working together, Amar and Akbar can complete the project in 1 year. That's given to you, right? Now, Amar and Akbar can complete it in 1 year. Akbar and Anthony can complete it in 16 months, and Anthony and Amar can complete the job in 2 years. So they're talking about individuals, and they're saying Amar can finish the job. Let's say Amar is doing A units per year, Akbar is doing B units per year, and Anthony is doing C units per year. Okay. If this is the case, then they're saying Amar and Akbar can complete the project in 1 year. Amar and Akbar can complete the job in 1 year. So it is going to take 1 year for them to finish this job. Same way, Akbar and Anthony can complete it in 16 months. Now, 16 months, if you convert this into year, it will turn out to be 4 by 3 times of an year. So Akbar and Anthony is what you are looking at, and they are able to finish the job in 4 by 3 of an year. Similarly, Anthony and Amar is also given to you as 2 years it takes for them to finish the job. This takes 2 years for them to finish the job, right? We have figured out the number of units for each one of them per year. So I can simply say Amar and Akbar together. That means A plus B should be equals to the total work. Same way, Akbar and Anthony put together in 1 year will do B plus C. So in 4 by 3 of an year, they'll do 4 by 3 times of this. So that should also be the total work. And post this, you look at Amar and Anthony, which is doing A plus C units per year. Multiply that by 2 should also be the total unit of work. Now, all three values present over here are the total units of work. Correct? Let's see, with the help of their comparisons with each other, what can we get down to? So if A plus B becomes equals to B plus C times of 4 by 3, you will be able to make an equation out of this. Let's say it is 3A plus 3B is equals to 4B plus of 4C. If you look at this, you will be able to get down to the value of B in terms of A and C. What is that? 3A minus of 4C. So B turns out to be 3A minus of 4C. Similarly, if you can compare the second and the third equation, let's see what does that gives me. This is 4 times of B plus 4 times of C is equals to 6 times of A plus C. Okay, so if you go a little further, 4B plus 4C will turn out to be equals to 6A plus of 6C. And when you do this, you would realize that you can get down to the value of 4B. That should be equals to 6A plus of 2C. Correct? If you go a little further, then you will be able to write the value of B in terms of 3A plus of C divided by 2. So this is the value of B in terms of A and C. This is also the value of B in terms of A and C. If you equate both of these values, you will get A in terms of C. Let's do that. So 3A minus of 4C turns out to be equals to 3A plus of C divided by 2. So let's just solve this. This becomes 6A minus of 8C is equals to 3A plus of C. That makes it what? That makes it 5 times of C to be equals to 11 times of 5 times of, sorry. This makes it what? This makes it 3 times of A is equals to 9 times of C, or A turns out to be 3 times of C. If A turns out to be 3 times of C, you can use either of the equations to get down to the value of B in terms of C. So let's look at this particular value, this particular equation, and it says 3A. So A is 3 times of C. So this will become 9C minus of 4C turns out to be equals to B. So the value of B turns out to be equals to 5C. B is 5C, A is 3C, and another individual is working C units per year, right? So now what are they talking about? If the person who is neither the fastest nor the slowest. Now look at this. A is the number of units which is in between C and 5C. C will be the lowest, 5C will be the highest, 3C will be in middle, and that has to be Amar. Okay. So if the person who is neither the fastest nor the slowest works alone, the time in which in months he will take to complete the project. That's what the question is, right? So we are looking at A equals to 3C, and let's say A finishes or Amar finishes the work in X number of years. So every year he is doing 3C units into X number of years will give me the total work. You can equate with any of these three to be able to get down to the values. I'm equating it with the first one. A plus B is the total unit of work. Now A is available in terms of C and B is also available in terms of C. So A is 3C and B is 5C. Total makes it 8C on the right hand side is equals to 3C times of X. C will get cancelled out. X will turn out to be equals to what? 8 by 3 of an year. This answer has to be given in terms of number of months. So multiplied by 12. This is going to give you what? 32 months. So 32 months turns out to be the answer for this question.